Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal here, Stairway to Nowhere on a Friday evening. It is the 3rd of April, 2026. And here we are at the Stairway to Nowhere. And I think the Amtrak train is coming. There's certainly a REM train coming. Here's the Viaduct. We've had some thunder showers today here in Montreal, and some of the remnants are sticking around. Some of the great REM ride too from Roxborough-Pierrefonds, or Pierrefonds-Roxborough station rather, all the way out here and beyond to Ile-des-Sœurs, and coming back so you can see the beautiful lights of the city with these dramatic skies with broken clouds and everything. Here from Robert Bourassa Blvd at night. Yeah, I forgot to mention it's about 7:45 p.m. I'm going to be here for about half an hour or so, and then make my way back on the REM. Hopefully back before the 9 o'clock cutoff, when they kick everybody off who's going to the West Island from Côte station onward, which happened to me fairly recently. Apparently that's going to be ending in about a week's time, so that'll be good. We will start to have full service on the REM up until like 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. or something like that. And there's the Farine Five Roses. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. It might be blocked by that building. Kind of cool. The mega bus. Apparently they're not that comfortable, but they look cool. Yeah, it looks like the Amtrak train is backing out now. Perfect. I came over here to see it. There's the locomotive. Not so colorful as the last time I saw it. And the darkness is kind of obscuring it anyway. Alright, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.